Today, we like to answer the question if it is possible to scan from the command line with the Ricoh ScanSnap scanners. For example, the iX1300, which I have currently connected. To scan from the command line, it's not sufficient to have ScanSnap Home installed, which comes with the scanner. We also need a TWAIN driver because these command line scan tools are working with a TWAIN interface. So SnapTwain, the TWAIN driver from JSE Imaging Solutions, is installed. I have selected for this demonstration two command line scan tools. One is a commercial product and one is free of charge. Let me start with the commercial product, which is called TWAIN Commander. So it just has a single file. And if I go to the window of TWAIN Commander, in the command line, I can call TWAIN com and I give a file name test1.jpg and I add hide dialog. That means that it will be directly scanned without showing the TWAIN driver's user interface. I enter now and it starts scanning. If I have loaded paper, which was not the case, so let me just load the paper and click on scan. So the document is transported and the file is created in this moment, and here we have test. And let's have a short preview. All right. So that is the image that we have scanned. So that is the commercial product TWAIN Commander from JSE Imaging Solutions. But some of you might want to avoid the cost of a commercial product. So there's also a freeware alternative called TWAIN. The advantage of TWAIN is that it is free of charge. The disadvantage is that you don't have a single file as TWAIN Commander has. There is a couple of files here which are required to be executed. So if you just copy the file which passes the commands, you can't run it. You need the complete directory. So I go now to that directory, cmd TWAIN, and I do something similar. Command TWAIN, and I give it test2.jpg. Here I don't need to give a parameter to hide the dialog because in this program it's a default setting. I hit enter and I upload the paper and then I can start the scanning. And it has created test2.jpg. So we have a similar file. This time I have inserted it the other way. And I will call it once more, but this time I invert the sheet of paper first so that we see it also runs without any interruption. I copy the line. And then in the lower right area we see the ScanSnap Home windows. In the upper left there's the SnapTwain window and the file is created. So that shows that SnapTwain, the TWAIN driver from JSE Imaging Solutions, work with different command line scan tools, with Command TWAIN, the freeware, and with TWAIN Commander, the commercial product. Of course, today many of you want to use web-based scan solutions, go away from the command line. So for web-based scan solutions, enclaso.com, that is our recommendation. You see it in the commands. But if you like to have an easy solution from the command line, SnapTwain is supporting this.